Hey everybody. So we had a prime rib for Christmas. So what I'm going to do tonight is make French dips with my leftovers. I was going to use the slicer, but I figure a lot of people don't have a slicer. So I'm just evening out the meat. And let's see if I can ever so thinly slice it. We won't be using the fatty end. And all you do is make very thin slices. I think what I'll do is that hunk with the fat, I'll just lop that off. Lop it off. Okay. So now, should help a wee bit. The slicer would be easier for me, but... And that's all you do, just slice them thin. In my younger years, I worked at Arby's Roast Beef on Foothill Boulevard in California. I think I was my teen years. All you do, after you slice it thin, is over here, I have the au jus. And we're going to get that hot. And then all you do is put your cold, thin meat into the hot au jus. And then my husband picked up a baguette. It's a little thin, but we'll work with it. Excuse me. So yeah, it's as easy as that. There we go. Now we're making meat. So that's all you do. So when that au jus gets hot, I'm going to keep slicing meat. We will put the meat in the au jus. As you can see, my meat came out just beautiful. I cooked it on the rotisserie. I meant to ask you guys, I don't know if many people have a rotisserie, but would you all like to see recipes of stuff I do on the rotisserie? I don't know. Anyways, I thought I'd ask. I didn't show anything from my Christmas dinner because I just didn't feel like very many people even have those things. My mother got it for me when we got married. And she had one when I was growing up. We used it a lot. Chicken, Cornish hens, roast. And honestly, I don't think there's a better way to cook a prime rib than on the rotisserie. So I will be back when this is hot. And we put our French dips together. It's a leftover makeover meal. Okay, so all we do is, this is hot now. We are going to put our slices of meat in there. Heat it up. Cooled it off real quick. There we go. Get some meat in there. Get warmed up. Then we'll get our roll. And you can dip your roll if you like that. So you can have it wet, or you can have it like this, not so wet. And then we are going to take some au jus for dipping, and dinner is ready. So this is our meal. Don't know if you can see it. That is our French dip sandwich on a baguette. So we've got a deviled egg, one of my green onion rolls. I have a video of that, some potato chips, some au jus for dipping, and we are done. So if you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subscribed, think about doing so. A thumbs up always helps, and I will see you guys next time. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas and you stay warm. So I will see you guys later.